Hi, this is the POCO F5 and I'll show you how to activate the turn off silent mode on this device. So we should first open the settings and then scroll down to sounds and vibration. Here you will see silent mode switcher, so just to activate or turn off silent mode, we should tap on this switcher. If you want to silence media also in silent mode, you could tap on the switcher because when the silent mode is activated, all of your ringtones and notifications they will be muted, but you could also silence the medias if you want. So also we got one more way how we could do that. Just first open the control panel and find mode icon. Just tap on this icon to activate or turn off the silent mode. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.